English Class Level 16 Whale Class. July theme, My Happy World. Every Tuesday, the baby shark tanks of Whale Class embark on a joyful English learning adventure through songs, games, pictures, and hands-on activities designed especially for young learners. Level the 16th to the 5th of July lessons. 1 Lesson 1, Sunny Weather. Vocabulary: sun, cloud, rain, rainbow, wind. Sing and move along with fun weather songs. 2 Lesson 2, Baby Animals. Puppy, kitten, bunny, chick, duckling. Fun animal sound guessing game. 3 Lesson 3, Sports Day. Ball, basketball, goal, run, winner. Celebrating FIFA World Cup 2026 through exciting ball games and sports activities. For Lesson 4, Yummy Food. Apple, banana, carrot, bread, milk. Children learn familiar food vocabulary through pictures and real objects. 5 Lesson 5, Transportation. Car, bus, train, plane, boat. The baby shark tanks explore different means of transportation through colorful models and interactive activities. What did Whale Class learn today? Topic: Sports Day. Vocabulary: ball, goal, run, winner, team. Activities: learning vocabulary with picture cards, passing the ball while saying vocabulary words, following English movement commands, singing and dancing to sports-themed songs. World Cup mini-games for the baby shark tanks. Jolly excitedly shouted ball when receiving the ball. Heavy happily ran to the finish line when hearing the command run. Triangle confidently pointed at the goal and said goal. Mina enthusiastically cheered for her friends by saying, team, why is learning English through movement so effective? Because baby shark tanks learn through listening, seeing, moving, and experiencing, helping them remember vocabulary naturally and confidently. Every English lesson in Whale Class is a joyful language adventure filled with laughter, discovery, and learning for our adorable baby shark tanks. Dear parents, which English topic do you like most this July? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Our children are proudly called baby shark tanks. Let the baby come, 'cause the kingdom of baby shark preschool belongs to them.